Good evening. Devin M. Anderson here with an unboxing video. I know, I'm like a broken record, but you will have to forgive me. September is my birthday month, and I treat myself to some books. Without further ado, I think I know what one thing in here is because I ordered it from Lindsay Goddard over at Weird Wide Web. But this feels like more than one thing. So let's find out what Lindsay put in here for me for my birthday. Right, ready? Okay. Open. Wow. Oh, bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap. Okay. Let's get the bubble wrap open. Wow. Looks like lots of stuff. Oop. There's some bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. Here we go. This is gonna be it. All right. Okay. Here we go. First, ooh. Very fun. Let's put these aside and open the card. Oh, anything in there? All right. Oh, this is a personal message to me for my birthday and for contributing to Tales from the Lark Side and to Sleeve of Hearts. I'm not going to read it out loud because it is very long and I'm sure that it would bore everybody. But let's delve into what books she sent me, because I see the one I ordered here, which is Tales from the Lark Side, and ooh, some stickers, more stickers. Knock, knock, who's there? This ridiculous book we made, Lindsay Beth Goddard. Thanks, Lindsay. I'm so happy to have my signed copy. This is mine, my own, my precious copy, my copy. Oh, and a couple copies of Sleeve of Hearts. Oh, nice. I'm going to be able to sell these. Unless these are updated, maybe. Ooh, I think this is updated. I will have to ask her. Looking good. All right. That is my special unboxing from Lindsay Goddard over at Weird Wide Web. Check the website out, weirdwideweb.org. It's got links for all of the books that they have released. I'm in a couple of them. And I think you should check it out because she puts together some really good stuff. Really good collections, really good anthologies. She knows what she's talking about as an editor. So check out Lindsay Beth Goddard, check out Weird Wide Web, and check out Tales from the Lark Side for yourself. Out now on Amazon. And definitely check out my poetry and others in Sleeve of Hearts if you want to cry, because it's some sad stuff. Peace out, guys and girls and they and thems. I hope you're having a good one, because I know I am now. Good night. I thought about it, and I'm going to read Lindsay's note. I don't know why I didn't read it the first time through, But since it's an unboxing video, you can't really do double takes because it's already unboxed. But I think I want to share what she wrote me because it's very touching. Devin, weirdwideweb.org wouldn't be the same without your help. Thank you for not only submitting your work to and appearing in 2 of the anthologies I've edited, but for being a great friend. Please have a couple extra copies of Sleeve of Hearts as well, because I know you will get them into the hands of readers. Yes, I will. And remember, these books can always be found at weirdwideweb.org/Lark Side and weirdwideweb.org/SOH for Sleeve of Hearts. So, that's it, folks. I just wanted to share that. And also, since I have you, I still have 5 copies, 5 of Tales from the Lark Side available for purchase from me. Signed, obviously, and personalized. Maybe if I'll even do a little drawing for you in there. And I also now have 2 copies of Sleeve of Hearts available for signing and purchasing from me. So if you're interested in getting a signed book from me, hit me up in the DMs. I will catch y'all on the flip side.